Okay, today it's sunny. We're going to push 85. Put something in your...
Do it, bud.
That's Bree's sandwich. He's not even done with it yet. That's not your sandwich.
We are dogs, yeah, we're fierce canines. We love our owners, we'll defend them with us.
Девушка, покажитесь. You have to put your harness on. Listen, you can't yell at me to go outside and then not put your harness on. Come on. Come on. Come on. You have to put your harness on. I love you too, but you still need your harness. You can't just go outside because you said I love you. I know you. Okay. Well, let's go. I know you are. Manson. Come on. Look, it's not that bad. Let's just put your harness on. Come on. Manson. You want to go for a walk? What are you doing? Get off my table. What the heck? Manson. Let's go.